You know that moment when something finally clicks? When an idea goes from noise to obvious and you just can't unsee it? That's the aha moment. Today, I want to talk about how those moments happen inside us and inside our algorithms. Large language models, the same ones writing our captions and emails, aren't just processing text, they're engineering perception. So how do we use that power responsibly? I used to scroll thinking it wasn't affecting me. Then I caught myself repeating a phrase from a video word for word in a meeting. And I realized how deep this goes. LLMs don't just write copy, they engineer perception. The question is, are we using that power consciously or on autopilot? I'm Daniela, founder of Custom Systems AI and Party and Mouth. I'm building in public because I care about how technology touches people and how it shapes emotion, decision, and trust. Everything I share here is part of a bigger experiment. Can we design systems that are smart and human, efficient and ethical? And I didn't start in tech. I came from live events. Tight deadlines, high stakes, human chaos at its best. When automation arrived, my first reaction was fear. That fear became the door to everything I build now. So here's the perception loop. Language, emotion, action, algorithm, back to language. Every hook you read online is a micro design of that loop. It doesn't just inform you, it steers what you feel. And that feeling drives what you do next. Whoever understands the loop controls momentum. Once, I picked the trending sound of a video, same words, different vibe. And the comments were not the ones I wanted. That's when it hit me. Every choice I make online engineers perception. Language triggers emotion. Emotion drives action. And action trains the algorithm. At first, that realization felt manipulative. Like we were puppets of this perfect copy. But the aha moment came when I saw the pattern. Awareness itself breaks the spell. Once you can name the loop, you can design inside it. You can choose language that aligns with your values instead of echoing someone else's algorithm. That's when perception turns to power. I had a post take off and the comments completely missed the point. It really hurt, but it showed me clarity is kinder than perfection. Sometimes an idea lands that feels so big for words. Happens to me all the time. I call that intuition. Implicit data in your body that processes before your brain is able to catch up. So instead of dismissing it, I translate it, I map it, I test it, I find its architecture. That transition turns intuition into implementation. And that's the same process I use when helping a founder design their AI system. Most of my best frameworks start mid-workout or while I'm cooking. I used to shrug them off. Now I treat them like data signals waiting for design. Right now, everyone is debating authenticity. What is written by AI? Can we still trust what we read? Authenticity isn't about who wrote it. It's about why. If AI helps you express care and clarity, that's more human than a rushed message. Building consciously isn't woke, it's intelligent architecture. I once polished a caption until it lost the heartfelt emotion in it. It taught me that coherence matters more than polish. Authenticity isn't about who wrote it, it's about why. And I learned this the hard way. I thought I was just sharing myself online. Then the feedback came, and I realized I wasn't just posting, I was publishing. Unfiltered, friction, reflection, architecture. Every mistake became a prototype for the systems I teach today. So my clients' voices speak with integrity by design, not accident. That confusion pushed me to build my first tone guide, and it changed how I show up everywhere. The discovery session is where we find your aha moment. The instant you see the pattern that's been holding you back and design a new one that fits exactly who you are. Whether you're a founder, a creative, or just curious about building your business responsibly with AI, this is where awareness meets action. If you ever felt like you're talking online but no one really hears you, I've been there. The fix isn't louder messaging, it's aligned architecture. Every creator eventually becomes a publisher. The only question is, will you publish consciously? Thanks for joining me in the Listening Lab. Remember, every time you scroll, you're training your own language model. Listen consciously, design intentionally, follow the signals that bring you coherence. I'm still in the experiment phase myself, learning week by week how perception shapes creation, and I'm grateful you're learning alongside me.